Hi, good morning to everyone. I'm K.R. Balaji from South Engineering College, an undergraduate in Electronics and Communication Engineering. Today I am going to present the topic about 5G and UAV communication. As I am an Electronics and Communication Engineering student, my specification in these topics is about multipath fading. Okay, let's get into our topic. I will briefly give some introduction about my topics. Like about 5G and UAV. What is an 5G? 5G is an speed of an network. Like we are using 2G and 3G and 4G, but the next generation speed is going to be 5G. And what is UAV? UAV is nothing but a unmanned aerial vehicle. It means like drones, the things which are very useful in our future. This 5G and UAV are going to rule our future. The main thing we need is to save time in our future. To save time, we have to increase our speed of our networks and speed of our technology. 5G plays a very vital role in our technology increments like speed. 5G is nothing but a lightning speed of networks and data transfer. And how this UAV works? As I told before, it's an unmanned aerial vehicle. It's going to play very vital role in our armies and security purposes. Like in future, in armies, we can use these unmanned aerial vehicles to watch our enemies and borders. Like those things can be controlled by this UAV. And why still this UAV and 5G are not achieved in our countries in that huge manner? The reason is the external factors affecting this 5G and UAV. As I already said, I'm going to talk only the specification is multipath fading. The 5G networks might be a dream if we didn't solve this multipath fading. Multipath fading will affect the 5G network very badly. What is meant by fading? Actually, what is meant by fading? Yes, fading is nothing but a phenomenon which scrabbles your signals and disturbs your signals like noise. Your signal will get fade out. If we get into 5G networks, the multipath fading will affect your 5G signals very badly. If you have sent an 5G signal, that signal will be affected by this multipath fading. Like your signal will be deviating into multipaths and merging with some other external factors like the buildings, cars, etc. coming in that the signal's way. It will reflect from each and every point, and this will cause the multipath fading. And let's talk about the UAV. How the UAV will get affected by this multipath fading. When you are sending the signals to your robot or something else which is not controlled by a man, at that point the signal travels very straightly when the distance between the object and the remote control is very less. What if the mission is in a particular distance of 5 kilometers? Yes, in this case, multipath fading will play a vital role. Your signal will get disturbed by this multipath fading. Then the mission may not able to catch the exact signal what you have sent. Then you cannot able to control the mission UAV properly as you want. Then how we are going to solve this multipath fading effects? Yes, we have a solution. So we are going to crack these problems using this solution, and we are going to grow like anything in our future by using 5G networks and UAV. Yes, what is this solution? Multipath fading channels. Yes, please take a look at these points, what I have explained, and what are the importance of these 5G networks and UAVs. As we all know, 5G is a very important thing. Yes, I'll tell you about how this multipath fading channel will work. The multipath fading channel will work accordingly to your precise signals integration. When you send some signals, the signals will be multipath faded, like it will deviate from the path and reflected by the objects. The solution for this is multipath fading channel. In these channels, we can obtain the multi-reflector signals, and the signals will be integrated together, and the final original signal will be obtained as the only single path thing. At that time, the received signal will be perfect, and the UAV and 5G networks will be successfully handled. You know, then why these are not implementing? That what are the disadvantages? The main reason is high cost. High cost. Why the 5G networks are not implemented? Another reason is multipath fading. Yes. Another reason for 5G implementation is not being taken is the radiation. And UAV, what about UAV? It's a very complicated network, and it's a multipath fading will damage the signal like anything. You know how this multipath fading will be reduced? You can see in these pictures. Yes, this is multipath fading. You know, as I already said, the advantage, that is one of the major advantage is speed, and to improve our technology and so on, so we can grow like anything. Yes, let's move on to another things, applications. As already I said, you know all the applications like speed in software companies and data transfer, and like in armies we can achieve higher heights, etc. Okay, this paper, I have referred this paper from Science Direct and some particular websites. If you want reference, you can refer at these URLs. You can go through these links if you want some any reference. Okay, thank you. If you have any queries, please mail me. My mail ID is krbalaji176@gmail.com. Thank you once again. I'm ending up with this.